Most veterans think that the VA loan is a one-time benefit. Use it once. The truth is simple. You can use your VA entitlement over and over again. You can restore it, you can reuse it, and entitlement is not a coupon. It's a benefit earned through your service. The system is built for repeat use. Entitlement is the amount that the VA guarantees on your behalf. That guarantee gives lenders confidence to approve the loan with zero down. If you sell that home and pay off the VA loan, that entitlement becomes free again. Pay it off and you get it back. Scenario one, here we go. You bought a home with a VA loan, you sold it, you paid it off, your full entitlement is restored. You can use your benefit again with zero down. Okay, scenario two, you still own the home, but you want to buy another home. So this is where partial entitlement comes in. You can use the remaining portion of your guarantee to buy your next home as long as the price falls within the VA limits for your county. Veterans do this more often than people think. It works for relocations, upgrades, and situations where selling the home isn't exactly the right financial move. How many times can I use it? As many times as you qualify. There's no limit on the number of uses. There's only a limit on how entitlement is tied to active loans. Pay off a VA loan. Here's a simple checklist. Verify your COE early. Check how much entitlement is currently tied to a property and decide if you're keeping or selling your old home.